Hello, welcome to PhyzQuest. So this is the solution video for CSIR NET December 2019 Part A, question number 18. So the question is, in a very old stable forest, a particular species of plants grows to a maximum height of 3 meters. So in a large survey, it is found that 30% of the plants have heights less than 1 meter and 50% of the plants have height more than 2 meter. So based on these observations, we need to find out the height of the plant increases whether at the fastest rate or at the lowest rate at a particular region of or a particular range of their height. So let's move ahead with the solution. So here the question is about a particular kind of plant which grows to a maximum height of 3 meter. Now all the plants do not have height 3 meter. Different plants have different height. So based on that, they have categorized into 3 types in when a survey is conducted for the plants. So basically there will be 3 stages of plant, or the 3 category. They are categorized based on their height. Now according to the detail of the survey, 30% of the plants have height less than 1 meter. And 50% of the plants have height greater than 2 meter. And of course that greater than 2 meter means maximum it has height 3 meter, as it is already mentioned. So what remains is the plants. See, 30% have height plants have height less than 1 meter and 50% of plants have height greater than 2 meter. So the remaining plants which are left have height in between 1 meter and 2 meter. So that means the plants which remains have height greater than 1 meter but less than 2 meter. So here what remains, that means if 30% is less than 1 meter and 50% is greater than 2 meter, that means 50 plus 30 is 80. So the remaining plants which left which have height more than 1 meter and less than 2 meter is 20%. So now we have the idea about what are the different heights of the plant and what is the extent to which those plants are present in the forest. Now the question is based on the growth rate of the plant. As you can see, 50% of plants have height more than 2 meter and maximum height, as it is mentioned, it is 3 meter. So we can say that at this stage the plants have reached almost the maximum height. At this stage most of the plants have reached their maximum height stage. So we can say that here at this stage the growth rate is least, that is the minimum growth is here at this stage. Now if you look at the other 2 categories, that is here and here. So here if you compare these 2 cases, here, or in fact all the 3 cases if you consider, minimum plants are there in between the height 1 meter and 2 meter. That is more than 1 meter and less than 2 meter. There will be minimum plants are there. That is only 20%. Now why it is minimum? It is minimum because plants cannot stay much time within this height range of in between 1 meter to 2 meter. So plants cannot stay in this stage for that much of time in this height range, because their growth rate is maximum here. Because when once the plants have reached the height more than 1 meter, it grows faster to more than 2 meter stage. So growth rate at this stage is maximum. So we can say that, which is the question here is to find out when the growth is fastest. So we can say the highest growth takes place when the height is between 1 meter and 2 meter. Now let us look at the option. So now if you look at the option B says the height of the plant increases at the fastest rate when they are between 1 meter and 2 meter tall, which is the conclusion we have come across. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Thank you.